BlackBerry Key2, a keyboard with a phone. The BlackBerry Key2 is a phone designed for business people. A phone with a hardware keyboard is basically unimaginable in 2018, but for BlackBerry, it's the whole reason to exist. BlackBerry is betting once again that its trademark keyboard will be the thing that keeps its dwindling core of dedicated users from choosing an iPhone, Galaxy, or some other Android device. The nostalgia of previous BlackBerry phones lingers with the Key2. It doesn't use the fastest processor, have the best camera, or a notch. Instead, it has the latest Android security updates, a plethora of BlackBerry apps all aimed at making and keeping the Key2 as secure as possible, and a keyboard that doubles as a trackpad. You're not going to put a cute cartoon on your head with the Key2, you're going to bang out emails. The other thing that will appeal to business users, or, just as likely, the businesses that employ them, is the price. $649 for an unlocked 64GB model that works with AT&T or T-Mobile. Sorry Verizon and Sprint users, you're out of luck. Everything about the Key2 is designed for business, but now smartphones are more than business tools designed around texts and email. They're supposed to be computers for our pockets. And computers are used for a lot more than just work. The Key2 retains the critical BlackBerry traits that complete its aesthetic: black keys with white font, an aluminum frame, a customizable convenience key below the power button and volume rocker, and finally, a textured rubber back complete with BlackBerry logo. Still, there are parts to this 2018 interpretation that don't sit well with me, like the long, unbalanced design. The venerated Bold series of phones were practically ergonomic and easy to cup with your hands to start typing. This is no longer the case, and using the keyboard for a long time becomes a chore, simply because it's hard to balance the phone and type at the same time. The 52-key keyboard includes all the most common keys, with the spacebar that acts as the fingerprint reader, with decent accuracy, and camera shutter. The Key2 does have a new key, labeled SIM and called the speed key. Basically you press it alongside the letter, serving as a shortcut between apps. There's also gesture support that includes swiping to type, which is usually inaccurate and difficult to tell which keys are recognized until words appear on screen, scrolling, clearing a field of text, and text selection. These features seem a bit gimmicky in everyday use. It's nothing like swiping to type on a virtual keyboard. But most importantly, does it feel like a BlackBerry Bold keyboard? The answer is, no, it doesn't. But the Key2's keyboard isn't bad, it's clicky, with raised keys and somewhat tactile response. However, becoming proficient with this keyboard takes some time, whereas the keyboard on the Bold was far easier to pick up and type efficiently.